Hi friends, I am Charvi. Today we are going to do Venn diagram. Let's start. We have to draw two circles. One on one. This is Venn diagram. Now I am going to do an activity on Venn diagram. It is feeding habits. Here herbivores, omnivores, carnivores. Let's write it. Now I am going to stick the animals. Cow. Cow is a herbivore. Rabbit. Rabbit is a herbivore. Giraffe. Giraffe is a herbivore. Now I am going to stick omnivores. Cow. Now I am going to stick carnivores. Lion. Owl. Tiger. Now I am going to tell you what is herbivores, omnivores and carnivores. Herbivores are some animals which eat only plants. For example, cow, rabbit and giraffe. Omnivores are the animals which eat both plants and meat. For example, bear, fox and crow. Carnivores are the animals which eat only meat. For example, tiger, lion and owl. This is the Venn diagram image.